Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. I hope you're all having a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are. I want to do some technical analysis for you here, just in my office chilling. If it sounds interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I want to show you what I see in the Bitcoin price chart. Madness going on right now. So, yeah, not financial advice. Let me, actually, before I go there, the market's crazy right now. Like, it wasn't only a week ago that we were just up. We were up in mad nice profits. I mean, we're still up, but we're not up like we was. So I want to take you through these charts that you see in the back, give you my honest opinion on what I think is going to happen. Let me flip it around and then, we'll take it from there. My big face. So, in the middle, I have the Williams 3 lines. If you've been watching my channel, I've been showing you this chart. It's a powerful chart. And I said to you, I'm expecting certain events to happen, right? I said if we pierce the green line, which is like what we did in the past, every time we pierce this green line, we see a fall in price and then we see a rally up, right? Remember that? I said we see a rally up, which is what we had. I said, but the 65K level, which was this blue line, I haven't moved it, I just kept it there. Roughly about 65K. I said, that's the line we need to pay attention to because we could rally all the way up to it and fall back down. And you can check my channel, you can check my videos. I've been speaking about this because of what I've seen in the past. And let me just refresh your mind, because the real question is, are we about to face one of the most disgusting drops we're ever going to see for Bitcoin? Just like what we saw in C19. Like, is there going to be such a dramatic thing? And if there is, I'm thinking, what's going to cause it? I've got that, well, we have that whole Iran and Israel madness going on. I've been seeing in news. Could it be that? I don't know. In the past, when we had a massive rally, we never ever broke this green line. Price action goes crazy. You can see there's a distance between it. But from the moment we top out and then we pierce this green line, just like what I said to you before, look at the arrow. Price pierces, it falls down. We see a rally up to this green line, and then eventually it falls back down, comes to this orange line, eventually gets to the red line, and then this thing flipping falls at least 40 to 50% or more. I'm just coming down. Look at this. This was 47% drop right there, right? Take a look in the past. You can see how this has happened every time when we see rally up, right? So we see this is, what's this, back in 2013. 2012, 2013, right? We see a massive wave cycle up, and then price action tops out, it comes down, it pierces the green line. What happens as it pierces, it falls down. We see a rally up to this green line, then eventually it comes back down, it pierces the orange, comes to the red, and then what do we see when it gets to the red? We see at least a fall down of at least 40 to 50%. That was disgusting. That was 54%. Around real quick. So, obviously, because of that, it makes me feel like, where's the next thing going to happen? Are we going to see the same thing again? And I want to show you another chart as well. I'm looking at it all, guys. I mean, it's not all negative. Some of it looks positive, but these two are the ones that I've been paying attention on the last few weeks. If you're watching my channel, you've been seeing this, right? I've been showing you this. So look, take a look again, right? So, are we going to do something like this? We've had the rally up. We're seeing now a red candle. Are we going to pierce this orange line? If we pierce, let's go to the future now. If we come to this orange line and pierce it, that could be a sign that something devastating might come. Like, seriously. And it might be short-lived. It might not be, I don't know, it might be short-lived. We'll see. I'm obviously going to keep an eye on this and keep you guys up to date on this. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Stick around, please, because you will not want to miss this chart. Because if it gets to here, patrons, you might see some sell alerts. Just take back some, if I'm in any profits on anything at that time, take some profits off the table. Because if it comes to this red line, I will expect at least a 40 to 50% dump. Which, at what point would it get there? Maybe this could take months, because this is on the monthly time frame for Bitcoin. See that? It might take months to play out. Who knows? So it's on the monthly time frame, the M. A good few months. What am I doing? Good few months could take time to get here. So I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. It's tough. See, the best possible outcome we can have is that, where in this scenario, back in 2020, 2021, we did see a massive rally up. We pierced the red line here. What did we do? We fell down and then rallied back up. But look at this, guys. This is interesting, actually. This gives me hope. Because even though we rallied up, we saw a red candle down on the next candle. And then we took off for a new all-time high. Are we seeing something like that right there? We rallied up, red candle down. Could we possibly see one massive pump? You see what I'm saying here? We've rallied up, red candle down. Could we see one last pump that could take us right up into the hundreds of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin? You know, time will tell if it does or if it doesn't. My battery's running low. Hopefully this can record before my bloody battery dies. Actually, I'll tell you what, let me get it on charge. So yeah, that's the William 3 lines. Let's take a look at this. So this is the RCI 3 lines, right? Where's it? Look at it. RCI 3 lines. I've taken one of the lines off because there's usually 3. Forget all these dotted lines here, right? I was just trying to work something out. Let's just keep, actually, tell you what, should I get rid of them for now? I'll tell you what, I will, just for now, and then we'll start afresh again on the next, because, you know, it will happen again. It will just go in a loop. Because I want to keep this really clean and simple for you, right? Take all these lines off. Actually, I'll keep the green line. So what we're looking at is, let's focus on the red line. When the red line falls down, just really simple, price action falls down, right? When the red line goes up, we see a rally up in price. When it falls down, we see price action fall down. Notice that when we see these massive capitulations, this was your C19 event. I know it looks small there, but if I was to really stretch this out, it was a big, big drop, right? We see this red line come down below this green line that I've created. This green line is a window, it's a pocket of opportunity. We may get one of the best buy opportunities of a lifetime in crypto over the next few months. That's what I think. And the reason I say that is because every time it's come down between this, underneath this green line, that's the buy of an opportunity. Actually, no, even more so. Let me stretch it lower. Now, that's not the buy opportunity. I suppose the buy opportunity, hold on, let me bring this. The buy opportunity is going to be right down here in this pocket. When it goes below this this gray dotted line, that's your buy opportunity. I don't know if it's going to go that low. Time will tell. If it can go that low, I'll definitely be buying up some crypto, because every time it's down this low, look at where it is. Bottom of the cycle right there back in 2015, 2016. Look at this when it's gone. Actually, that minute didn't really go that low. Went below the green line, didn't go below down here. But when it's gone this low, look, this is the recent 2020, 2021, right? Went right down below. That was your buy up opportunity. I got the money bag there, letting you know that's a good time to buy. And this is where we are right now on this RCI 3 lines. Let me just drag it down so you can see, right? We're right here like this. So it's crossed and it's on its way down. The red line's on its way down. Can it come down there? Time will tell. And obviously when this blue line usually crosses with the red line, so when the red lines come up and it's doing a cross, that usually represents the top of the cycle, right? And you can see where I've drawn like a orangey type of line straight down that represents near enough the top, right? And you can see it in the past as well. When we see this blue line come up and cross with the red line, that signs the top of the cycle. So it's possible that, I don't know, could that there have been the top of the cycle? Nah, I don't know. This is a weird one, this one round, because this crossed at a different time. Usually you see the cross there, which represents the top of the cycle. This is doing something very different to what we've seen before. But all I do know is if this red line continues to come down, we're going to see a buy of opportunity. And I might take the opportunity to buy some if it falls down now. Everything else seems to be all right. This is just the monthly RSIs. I don't know, it looks like we're breaking this RSI over here. Let me just grab it real quick and show you. It looks like we're breaking this moving average on this RSI. Could we be coming downwards? I don't know, time will tell. You know, so I'm just keeping my eye on the market. Hopefully we can spot some more signs that can be positive and bullish. But right now, that's the pi cycle. I'm not going to explain too much on these ones right now. I'll bring another video on them. This is your count the channel right there. Maybe we can see some buy momentum come in and stay above this middle line so it can remain bullish, right? So that was just a quick update. I'm gonna drop some more videos in the future over the next week or so on analysis and stuff. If it was helpful, drop the like, give me a subscribe. Have a good day. I'm gonna go. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.